Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video ay itutuloy natin ating series about surface area. No? This is the second video in the series. Yung unang video ang pinag-aralan natin was to find the surface area of a cube. No? Now, dito sa video na to, ang gagawin natin is to find the area of a right rectangular solid, right rectangular prism. So, ang right rectangular prism ay isa siyang parang box, no, na ang degrees niya ay right angles. No? Okay, mga prism kasi minsan pwede yung parang nakaslant, di ba? But here we're talking about the right rectangular prism. Now, obviously, meron tayong 6 din na sides, no? Yung top at saka yung bottom. Nakikita nyo from here. No? Siguro pwede natin yun. Yan yung green na yan. Yung green dito sa nasa taas. Tapos yung green dito sa baba. I don't know kung anong kulay niyan sa YouTube na kasi minsan pag ganito nagbabago yung kulay niya. So that's two faces, no? Not sides but faces. And then we also have yung medyo maliit dito, tsaka yung sa likod niya. And I think from here, that's the red. Yung red na tong part na to, tsaka syempre yung opposite niya sa likod. Itong opposite na to. And lastly, we have the blue, no? Blue here. At saka yung nandito sa likod niya. Which is this part here, no? This part here, tsaka tong part na to. So, magbigay tayo ng example na sukat. For example, yung nanditong part na to ay 5, no? Tapos, ang nitong part na to ay 3. Tapos, tong part na to 6. So, paano natin kukunin yung surface area? Now, remember that the surface area is the area, yung lahat nung nasa labas na yung surface ng box, or right rectangular prism to be exact. So, syempre, kukunin muna natin yung isa-isa yung rectangle. No? For example, itong rectangle na to. Maybe I should have another color. Ano nga bang kulay nito sa kabila? Doon sa pinakita natin kanina. This is red, no? So, itong part na to, sige, we'll use red. Itong part na to, no? Okay, so, kunin natin yan, ang part na to. Ang length niyan ay 5 at ang width niya ay 3. So, 5 times 3 yan, di ba? This is 5 times 3. Kaso, hindi lang naman itong side na to, or yung face na to, mayroon din siya doon sa likod. So, ibig sabihin, dalawa niyan, di ba? Dalawang 5 times 3. So, this is 2 times 5. 2 times 5 times 3. And then plus, we also need to look at yung blue part, no? Yung malaking face natin, yung mahaba. I think that's the largest face, no? So, this is this part, no? This is the blue part, no? This is the blue part. So, using the blue color, so pwede nating yan, part na to. Kunin natin. So, that's huwag natin patungan yung red, no? Para kita natin siya. So, itong part na to, okay. Anong sukat niyan? That's 6 times 5, di ba? 6 times 5. This is the longer, this side, or this edge is the same as this edge. So this is also 5. 6 times 5 is 30. Kaso dalawa kasi may opposite siya dun sa likod din. So that's times 2 also. And then plus, syempre yung nasa top. The top is, I think, the green part here, no? Nakikita nyo, that's the green part. And again, hindi ko alam kung anong kulay niyan sa YouTube kasi minsan nagbabago. But then, this is the green part, this is the blue part, and this is the red part. At least from here, no? And then, of course, yeah, this part here. Itong part na to. So, ano ang sukat niyan? That's this part, diba? 6 times this part is 3. 6 times 3. That's the green part. 6 times 3. And of course, times 2 yan, di ba? Siyempre, meron siya sa likod niya din. Okay? So, by getting the area, we have 2 times, this is 15. That's 30, no? Plus, this is 30 times 2, this is 60. Plus, 6 times 3 is 18 times 2, 36. So, the surface area, no? Total surface area is equal to, what is this? 60 plus 30 is 90 plus 36 is 126. So that's 126 square units, no? Remember, wala tayong unit, so dapat meron tayong square, no? Whether it's centimeters or meters, kasi we're talking about the area, no? If we're talking about the length, then we could just say units or centimeters or meter. Pero pag pinag-usapan natin yung area, dapat may square siya, no? Okay, so how do we generalize this information, no? Yung nag-gather natin na information from finding the area or the surface area of a right rectangular prism. So, for example, no? Tabi na lang natin dito. For example, this is height, no? Pag ang 5 kunwari ay height, kunwari yung 5 natin ay height, tapos ang 3 natin ay width of the rectangle below, yung nasa bottom. This is the width. Tapos ito naman ay length. Okay. So, paano natin kukunin yung red? Yung red na rectangle. So, height times width, di ba? Or width times height. Height times width. Kaso dalawa siya, di ba? So, times 2. So, we're talking about the surface area here also. Mas general formula lang ito, no? Then, what happens to, what's the area of the blue rectangle? Length times height, di ba? And then times 2. This is the blue. So, length ito, L. Tapos height ito. So, we're getting the area of this rectangle, length times height. Tapos, dalawa siya kasi meron din siya sa likod, no? Meron siya ka-partner din sa likod. So, this is 2 times length times height plus, lastly, yung nasa top tsaka nasa bottom. These are the, yung part na to is length, and then part na to is width. Okay, so length times width. Length times width times 2 rin, no? Okay, so ito na actually yung formula ng surface area, no? So, any given number, pwede na natin siyang, o any given dimensions ng rectangular prism, we can just substitute, no? O pwede natin i-factor out yung 2 kung gusto nyo. But still the same, pwede natin i-factor out yung 2. We have height width plus length height plus L width. So, pwede rin yan kung gusto nyo i-factor out yung 2. Okay? So, pwede rin to. So, any of these two, pwede natin siyang gamitin. So, just a brief example. Halimbawa, meron tayong length equals 5, width equals 4, and height equals 10, for example. So, gamitin lang natin to, di ba? So, any of these two. So, surface area is equal to, gusto nyo muna ito? So, we have height times width, that's 4 times 10, that's 40, plus length times height, that's 50, plus length times width, that's 20, And then we multiply this by 2. Yan sa unahan, di ba? So this is equal to 90 plus 20. That's 110. That's 220. For example, cm yan, cm, then we have cm squared yun nandito. Okay? So, yan lang yung formula ng surface area ng rectangular prism. I hope meron ka nito na sa video na to. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Siguro yung pag-aaralan naman natin sa susunod yung mga ibang shapes naman kagaya ng cylinder, cone, sphere, etc. Okay? So, maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.